Good morning children. My name is Garima and today we'll be discussing concept of before, after and between. So we have already done this concept in our UKG class and in our other pre-primary classes, but we are going to revise it one more time and see how it works in numbers till 50, from 1 to 50. So first before we see it in numbers, first we'll see what is this concept all about? What is before, what is after and what is between? See, when you go to an ice cream shop, you must have gone with your brothers and sisters and lots of friends to the ice cream shop. You go and ask for an ice cream and the ice cream seller tells you, oh, there are too many of you, just come in line, make a queue, right? And then you make a queue, something like this. And while you all are thinking that which ice cream will I be eating today, which ice cream will I be taking today, the ice cream seller is actually thinking, where are you standing? Are you at number 1 or after that number 2? And I will give ice cream to somebody who comes after that, number 3, or to person who comes even after number 3, that is number 4. So he's actually deciding the positions where you are standing. Are you standing first in line, or you're standing after that, or you're standing after that, like that, right? Similarly, when your teacher takes you somewhere, all of you make a huddle or a group and you all go together and you're all excited, and the teacher tells you, no, I can't handle you like that. Why don't you make a queue? Why don't you come in a line? So you make a queue, something like that, and you are thinking, oh, he's first and I am standing after him, and my friend is standing behind me, or she's standing after me, or he's standing after me. So you decide the position where you're standing, who's before you or who's after you, right? So the teacher is also deciding in her head, she's given you numbers that you're at number 2 or you're at number 3, and after 3 number 4 will come, and after 4 number 5 will come, like that, okay? Similarly, this happens in everything in life. When you wake up in the morning, you get dressed, you brush your teeth, you brush your hair, you eat breakfast, and then you go to school. So if I tell you to look at this picture and I tell you what do you do after you brush your hair? So just by looking at the picture, you see that after you brush your hair, you eat breakfast. And what do you do after you eat breakfast? Yes, you go to school. So this is what happens after. When you've done something and you do something new, that is called after. And when you've done something before attempting a certain thing, that is called before. And when there is something between the two things, that is between. Like, what do you do between brushing your hair and leaving for school? If you look at the picture, you do eat your breakfast. Okay? So now you know, if you're standing here and something that has come before you, that is before, and something that comes after you, behind, that is after. So in this picture, the doll is before the girl and the robot is after the girl, right? Similarly, if we see in this picture, there are 3 things. What are the 3 things? The cactus, the clock, and the cube. So if I tell you that the cactus is between clock and the cube, and what is before the cactus? The clock is before the cactus. And what is after the cactus? The cube is after the cactus. Similarly, in this another picture, I give you what is between the teacher and the baby penguin? The cake is between the teacher and the baby penguin. What is before the cake? Before the cake is the teacher. What is after the cake? After the cake is the penguin, right? Similarly, you just need to see the position and you need to go about it, right? Before and after. So if there is a train track like that, and if we number all the train tracks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we see a train. Do you see a train? Not yet. Now there is a train. It will move forward. So it will go from number 1 to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is going forward. Okay, so after number 1, number 2 will come, after number 2, number 3 will come, and so on. Just like that, another example, if number 17 is there, what number would have come before 17? Number 16. And what number would have come after number 17? Number 18, right? And number 17 is between number 16 and number 18. So I'm sure by now you must have understood the concept of before, after and between. You must look at this chart and see which number comes before. Like if I tell you that, okay, if I tell you, let's say number 37, which number comes before 37? You can see in the chart and quickly tell me. Before 37, number 36 is there. And after number 37, number 38 is there. Okay. So just like that, you need to practice these horizontally and vertically. I have given you another chart which is horizontally, where numbers are going from left to right and not from top to bottom. Practice them. I have given an exercise also for before, after and between. Do it. All the best. Have fun and happy learning. Thank you.